Hello to all my YouTube friends. You all seem to love it when I do high-end home decor copycats. So my next project is a whole room copycat. Today I'll show you the before of my tiny guest bedroom and the plan that I have for my Pottery Barn bedroom makeover. Next week, we'll go through the DIYs, some Amazon finds, and how you can get that Pottery Barn look for less money in your home. So here is the before of my very small and boring basement guest bedroom. I recently moved to Colorado, so I haven't done anything with this room yet, and it's kind of messy. My friend Heidi Sonboul is hosting this summer Room of the Month collab, and I get to join 5 other awesome home and DIY channels here on YouTube. We're all doing our own room makeovers, so I'll link the playlist in the description box below so you can check their videos out and subscribe to all their channels. Okay, here's the rest of the bedroom. It is a little messy, haven't unpacked everything yet, but it's a starting place. If you're stopping by my channel for the first time, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your love and support here on Artsy Cupcake. My name is Maria, and my passion is sharing ways to get creative in your home. If you like home decor and home DIYs, please hit that subscribe button right now so you'll know when my next video goes up. About a week ago, I asked the Artsy Cupcake crew to pick your favorite Pottery Barn room inspiration photo. And today I want to share the results and then go into a little bit of what makes Pottery Barn's style so elegant and timeless. Here are the 6 images I found on potterybarn.com, and I thought they were all great options. You guys seemed to gravitate towards number 2 and 3, so let's hone in on those 2 and see why these inspiration photos have a similar vibe and what elements I might want to pick up from them for this guest bedroom makeover. What I notice about these 2 rooms is that they stick to neutrals: black, gray, white, and beige. There's a good use of symmetry with nightstands and lamps placed on either side of the bed. I also like how these rooms have a headboard, but then they have a really prominent piece of wall art featured above the headboard. And you'll notice that the wall art is not symmetrical, but this gives a good balance to the already present symmetry in the room. Even the pillow placement is really symmetrical in both of these inspiration photos. I can definitely see myself finding some similar decor pieces. The reeds in that large vase, those are really elegant and simple. I actually have a similar black and white photo situation going on in my master bedroom. So I think this look in here could make this guest bedroom tie in well with my existing home decor. You can't really go wrong with black and white photos. I'm going to try to recreate this look as low cost as possible with some DIYs and Amazon finds, which I will share next week. So how do you get that aesthetically pleasing Pottery Barn look for less money? Let's take a look at the Pottery Barn website really quick. Oh, how I would love to be a stylist for one of these Pottery Barn photo shoots. They're just gorgeous. Every season, Pottery Barn refreshes their product line and their inspiration photos on their website and catalogs. But the vibe, the whole feel that you get when looking at these photos as a whole never changes. Breezy linens, low maintenance natural materials, they're always prominent in the Pottery Barn inspiration photos. Layering those fabrics in the right way will be key. A good way to layer without being overwhelming is using tone on tone. Pottery Barn leans towards neutrals like whites, ivories, grays, blush, and very light blues. Another way to layer is to mix up the textures like sheer fabrics, cotton, and linens. This will make the room look really interesting, and it'll just add a lot of dimension. Pottery Barn rooms look inviting and comfortable. A guest bedroom is somewhere where you want your visitors to feel welcome and special, yet not feel like they're going to have to be really careful because they could break something or get something dirty. That Pottery Barn look is minimalist yet maximalist at the same time, with not too many elements in the room, but then an overload of pillows. I think including lots of pillows and throws is what gives that welcoming feel to these Pottery Barn examples. Another thing I noticed is that Pottery Barn's style is really timeless. They aren't following any trends that are going on right now. It's just always classic, elegant style, which I think along with the other items I mentioned, we can create that high-end Pottery Barn vibe for just a fraction of the cost. I have not started this room yet, but I think we can do this in 1 week, right? This video is part of a hop, so make sure to check out the next video and subscribe so you can see the big reveal next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.